every time GBA has a press conference, we are always pointing out the violations that the authorities are carrying out. But today we stand here to mourn the death of 25 people because of this illegality. And with the GBA mourns the death of 25 people in the Birch Romeo Lane fire at Arpora, and is doubly anguished at the blatant corruption and criminal collusion of government authorities which made this happen. In a system of flourishing corruption, violations compound and lead quickly to disaster. We demand a judicial inquiry into this whole incident and exemplary punishment. Now, at the root of this is land conversion with active encouragement by the TCP department, which bends all planning rules and regulations. GBA has highlighted many such planning illegalities for the last several years and continues to fight the same with public participation in courts and through advocacy with the government whenever possible. Now, the recent irregularities allowed the construction of a multi-dwelling project in Sankwal referred to as Bhutani project, and is further inviting disaster and some under very clear violations. Now, Rebani will give you a gist of the violations that the Bhutani project has done, and which will lead to floods, landslide and fire disaster. Due to flooding, due to landslides and fire, because rules are being violated. And to protest these violations, okay, we are giving a call on 19th December, which is Goa Liberation Day. Let us all come to pay homage to our martyrs on that day, and we need to have another liberation movement from all these illegalities and corruption. Besides, we are going to pay our respect to all the people who were victims of these illegalities, the 25 who lost their lives, the known 25 people who lost their lives, and the unknown number of people who were affected by this disaster. So I call upon the people of Goa to assemble here on 19th December at 4:30 p.m. on Goa Liberation Day to pay our respect to the departed, whether it is for the liberation, those who fought for liberation, and also the victims of corruption.
And we request the press, please scrutinize the Town and Country Planning Department. They have a lot to answer for.
And I just want to appreciate in this whole fire tragedy that happened, it was the media which kept the pressure on, and today the authorities are working or are arresting or doing investigation is because the local media, the national media and the international media are covering the news. So you are the fourth pillar, and we hope the media will stand up to protect the lives of people in Goa. Head of the state. So he is responsible, overall responsible for all the departments, and he has to know what is happening in each department. So he cannot say that department is doing or this department is doing. Now, if you look at all the amendments to the TCP Act, okay, the assembly the department is doing, the CM knows about it, no? So whether it was 16B, which was struck down by the court, 17.2, 39A आता building rules त्यांनी amend करून increased FAR, unlimited FAR आणि height दिला, not restricting to the zone. ओके झोन एक झोनाक एक FIR आसता ते तेणी रिस्ट्रिक्शन दवरूं ना आतां केस टू केस बेसीस तुज्यान ते अनलिमिटेड FIR आनी हायट करूं शकता सो हें CMाक सांगनासतना जावचें ना CM इज द हेड ऑफ द स्टेट या सो रिजनल प्लॅन इतले करून सुद्दां कितें फायदो.
What do you want to say on the Karamboli this thing project is coming, a huge mega project?
See, there are lots of projects coming, and our main issue is the violation. So, there is a law, please follow the law. Now, all these laws are made based on scientific principles. Whether it is a coastal regulation zone, whether you're talking about no development zone, then height and FAR, or particular zones are made for settlement, for industry, for recreation, for educational purpose. Follow the plan. So if you follow the plan, there is better planning and there is progress. Now you see GBA is going to enter, has entered its 20th year, 2 decades now. And 2006 we started the movement, and yes, there was some halt, some checks and balances were there, but now it has the governance has collapsed completely.
Corruption has increased tenfold.
Yeah,
tenfold.
there is no cap on
Everywhere.
corruption.
गव्हर्मेंट ऑफिशियल गॅझेट आसा त्या गॅझेटाचेर प्रत्येक एक आठवड्याक जे दिसाक 10 कन्वर्शनां 10 येदेच एक सिंगल कॉलमाक हें करून करतात तेजेर तुका कितें म्हणपाचें.
तेच सांगता आमी न्हू की खंयचे डिपार्टमेंट इतले एक्टीव आहा इज द TCP टू गझेट जर काडले जाल्यार changes conversion constantly, and this is the department that is making illegal money. Because if you ask people, आपणाची फायल दिवपाक इतले पयशे घेतले म्हणून सांगता.